Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube video. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise from audio in Adobe Audition. So first, open the Adobe Audition application, basically by just clicking it in the taskbar, and wait for it to load. Okay, this is it, it's loading. Okay, step 2 is to import the audio file that you want to remove background noise from into Adobe Audition. So you'll do that by clicking File, Open, I will be removing noise from a video file. So I think this one. Okay, so wait for the file to load. Okay, here we have the audio. Now you can listen to the audio. So hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can hear from the audio, if you are keen enough, you'll hear some background noise, and this is where our focus is on. So let me rewind. So did you capture that? Let me rewind again. That one. So if you listen to the audio itself, the noise goes on and on and on as I continue to speak, and that's what we want to remove. So let's listen for like 5 seconds before we start. So hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of removing noise from audio using an application called Adobe Audition. So the first step is to open Audition. The Adobe Audition is this one. Okay. So now that we've listened to part of the audio, we can now go to step 2. And step 2 is to select the part of the audio file that contains the background noise by highlighting it. So be careful here. You want to select the part of the audio where you only hear the noise you want to remove, not my voice or your voice if you're the one speaking, of course. So let's rewind and capture part of the audio where I'm not speaking. So as you can hear, I've not started speaking. It's only the noise that we can hear up to there. Let me rewind. Okay, I'll start to speak at 0.00.796. So that section is very small, so let me continue listening to the audio. Maybe I can get a part where I haven't spoken for more time. So hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of removing noise there. So in this step, we're going to capture this part. it's the part without noise, here to here. Once you've selected, click on the effects tab in the top menu and choose noise reduction stroke restoration. Then select capture noise. Okay, you have a prompt. The current audio selection will be captured and loaded as a noise print for use. Next time the noise reduction effect is launched, just click OK. Okay, now we've captured the noise. So the next step is to select the whole audio. After we select the whole audio, we remove the noise that we've captured from the whole audio. So let's do that. So basically select this one to the end. Then the process is almost the same. Select effects, choose noise reduction stroke restoration. Then this time choose noise reduction into bracket process. Okay, click apply to apply the changes. Okay, now we can listen to the audio without the noise. So hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of removing noise from audio using an application called Adobe Audition. So the first step is to open Audition. The Adobe Audition is this one. So that's it. I've just removed the noise from the audio. Then after removing the audio, of course, you can save the file and export it. You can save or even export the audio file and use it somewhere else. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that red subscribe button below this video. Okay, thank you and welcome next time, guys. Thank you.